Total Quality Logistics Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Total Quality Logistics, or TQL, isn't just a freight company. You won't believe the scale of its network and services. Most people get this wrong by assuming all carriers offer the same rates, but the surprising truth is TQL combines technology and personal service to optimize shipping and reduce costs. TQL doesn't publish fixed rates publicly because pricing varies based on shipment type, distance, and volume. Full truckload and less than truckload LTL shipments are priced per mile and weight, often including additional service fees for expedited or specialized loads. Most people get this wrong by comparing only base rates because integrated logistics platform and real-time tracking add value that saves time and reduces missed deliveries. Company also provides a dedicated agent for each shipment, offering communication, problem-solving, and carrier selection expertise. You won't believe how much this personal touch improves reliability, especially for businesses shipping high-value or time-sensitive goods. In conclusion, TQL pricing is tailored to your specific needs, factoring in load type, distance, and service level. Understanding these elements helps you evaluate the value of TQL's service beyond just cost per mile. For businesses looking for reliable and efficient freight solutions, TQL delivers both convenience and expertise for your money.